Introduction. Why learn React Native?
React Native is a popular framework for building mobile apps that run on both Android and iOS using a single codebase. Learning React Native opens doors to in-demand developer roles and enables you to create powerful, native-feeling mobile applications using JavaScript. This learning path guides you step by step toward becoming a skilled React Native developer.
Step 1. Master JavaScript and ES6 basics.
A solid understanding of JavaScript, especially ES6 features like arrow functions, destructuring, and classes, is essential for React Native development. Before diving in, make sure you're comfortable with variables, functions, arrays, objects, and asynchronous programming. These skills are the foundation for writing clean, effective React Native code.
Step 2. Learn React fundamentals.
React Native builds on the principles of React. Focus on learning components, state management, props, like cycles, and hooks. Practice building user interfaces with reusable components. Gaining confidence in React basics will make transitioning to mobile development with React Native much smoother.
Step 3. Dive into React Native essentials.
Now start exploring React Native itself. Learn about core components like view, text, image, and scroll view. Understand navigation between screens, styling with Style Sheet, and handling user input. Practice building simple apps and experiment with the development environment using emulators or real devices for both Android and iOS.
Step 4. Expand skills with APIs and native features.
Modern apps interact with data and device features. Learn how to fetch data from APIs, use libraries like Axios or Fetch, and handle user authentication. Discover how to access native device capabilities, such as the camera, location, and notifications, by integrating native modules or popular React Native packages.
Step 5. Test, debug, and publish your app.
Effective developers test and debug their code. Explore testing strategies using tools like Jest and React Native Testing Library. Familiarize yourself with debugging tools, managing errors, and optimizing performance. When ready, learn how to build and submit your app to the Google Play Store and Apple App Store.
Next steps and continuous learning.
The mobile landscape evolves quickly. Stay current by following React Native documentation, exploring new libraries, and contributing to open-source projects. As you build more complex apps, deepen your skills in state management, animations, and performance optimization. Continuous learning is key to long-term success as a React Native developer.